My name is Karen, and a friend told us about RC Auto, and so we tried them out and have been extremely happy with their service. I would describe it as um, I'm very satisfied. I know a lot of times when I've gone to a dealership to have work done on my car, they don't treat me like I know what I'm talking about. But here, they're very listening and caring, and I won't go anywhere else. This is where I will come. I would recommend RC Auto because they are very friendly and they listen to you. And I mean, they've even driven me to my office when I needed a ride and took me out one day when they were trying to hear the noise I was explaining about. So, and I tell people all the time about RC Auto, and I will always be here.